some girls be dating married men and they'll be doing love. Sis, is not yours. It belongs to another woman. So use your brain. If you're dating a married man, make sure you're in it for the material things you're gonna get from him. So
because my business is here in Nigeria. And if people say we are separated, maybe they are saying that because my family is not here with me in Nigeria, but we are good together. Though there were issues, because of, what is going on, but everything is under control. Everything is back to normal and everything is fine. So we're good. I am a Muslim and my religion permits me to marry more than one wife. Now I am married to 2 wives. I have 2 beautiful women and I'm glad everything is good. I'm a
Aigbe and the husband don't finally come out, come talk the reason why she won't be a second wife. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, other people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about Mercy Aigbe. Mercy Aigbe don't come out, come talk in with the husband, the reason why he want to be second wife. He say he love this husband. Maybe people not dey spoil her name again. She decide to be a second wife because he love the man. And the man too constantly talk say wetin he do so many men not get mind to do am, but he don't break the record now. So wetin he do so people will remember am later. I say wetin you do when you collect somebody, your best friend, ex-woman? Me no understand. He say he with his wife sit dey together. He say but when the thing happen, when they see am, the thing because small problem, but now everything don dey okay. Say in a Muslim, so he get right to marry many wives wey he wan marry. And the wife and the children, they're not even there around. Like I said, they UK that side. So he get right to marry another woman. So he love Mercy Aigbe. So not be waiting with a year for social media. According to Mercy Aigbe, he say not be because of money. Now he married the man. He say the year waiting people they talk because the man get money. He say no, say he love him. Now he make him marry him. 2 of them love each other. So now he make she marry the man. Wetin we even the verse for that time be say the way this man was your ex-man best friend, and we see the picture where all of una snap together at that time. So now he make the thing shocktalize everybody when we see him say how come why this kind of thing can happen like this, So now he constant where everybody come begin they ask question that time, So the one when you call the talk now say marry the man because say he get money. Even though you marry because of money, because even one of your video where you for talk say if you want married man, if you follow married man, make sure say you collect something from her. But one of your interview that time, you don't forget to. Social media not they forget to. They don't go bring and come out for you now. May you see what you use your mouth stay talk that time. Say if you want married man, make sure say you feel collect something from am, or if you dey friend them. So now make everybody believe that because money you marry this man too. So according to her, she said she dey happy well with the man. 2 of them they happy together. So not be because of money. Now he make her go marry the man. So the full video don't come. We go put the full video more than listing from her own mouth, which they use her mouth they shop onions. So I go put and make una see and by una self, So that be the matter where they grant my people. So anything wanna think about the video, make una leave una comment for the comment section, because this matter it pass Matthias. Mona hear wetin the man talk about the ex-woman and the Mercy Aigbe. He say he love the 2 of them. So make dem leave him, make he enjoy him marriage with Mercy Aigbe. Mercy Aigbe, you too much for you to fit come become a second wife. You too much. So we see our people. So I put the video more than see am. Bye.
No, I did not marry him because of his money. I married him because I love him. Because he's my friend. Because he's my best friend. You know, and because it gives me peace. It gives me peace. It makes me happy. I did not marry him because of his money. In fact, I'm working for him. Yes. Yes, that's so true because we're business partners and I work for him.
All right, guys, welcome back again. Nollywood superstar Mercy Aigbe and her current husband Kazeem have been trending on social media ever since they granted an interview, and Mercy's husband Kazeem said that his first wife Funsho is happy that he married Mercy Aigbe as a second wife. All right, guys, so Kazeem's first wife Funsho has reacted to everything that Mercy Aigbe and her husband said on the interview. So the woman started by saying that Mercy Aigbe have been sleeping with her husband since Mercy Aigbe's son, who is now 11 years old, was just 5 months old. So no be today where they begin dates, okay? So she went further and she wrote this on her Instagram. This post is regarding an interview recently going around by Media Room Hub with my soon-to-be ex-husband in one of his numerous lies. I want to let you all know that in contrary to what Mr. Adeoti said, I did not and will never settle to have a second wife in my marriage to him. Kazeem, you should stop painting a perfect picture of a marriage you clearly did not have with me. You and your side chick can continue with whatever it is that you're doing, but never come out to social media degrading me or my children with your demeaning and childish attitude. I will not stoop to your level of rubbish and stupidity. So she went further to say, as for you, Mercy, let's cut the crap. We were friends, but the shame and your glam lifestyle will not let you admit it. You have been sleeping with Kazeem since your son was only 5 months old. I introduced you to Kazeem as my friend. I called you and personally invited you and your ex-husband to the 40th surprise birthday party I did for my soon-to-be ex-husband. You were a constant friend of mine back then. I brought you close as a friend because I like you, but you repaid me by sleeping with my husband Kazeem. You were a problem in my marriage for years. Now I'm happy to let you know that this is only the beginning of the end of you. I'm done. He's all yours. Enjoy. I'm really past this. Like I said in my first post, losing someone who does not respect you or appreciate you is actually a gain, not a loss. Thank you all.
That is not true. That is not true. There's nothing like snatching. I'm a full-grown adult. I am a Muslim, and my religion permits me to marry more than one wife. Now I am married to 2 wives, and I'm glad everything is good.
And please, I just want to tell Nigerians, please, I am not the first person to be a second wife. It is my choice. I'm happy. So everybody should just leave me. Let me enjoy my marriage. And
I want to use this medium to also educate some people. A lot of people are hypocrites, and when you are bold enough to do the right thing, but I think that I've done